Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So at first go to phone settings, go to main phone settings, click on to connection, select hotspot, click on to enable, and you can easily change name or password. Select or customize, select the allow person, and if you want to select the time range, or QR code, want to save image or click on to share this QR code. So this is all about of Samsung Galaxy hotspot. You can easily use this. So if in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.